Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2010 Case 580 Super M Backhoe. The machine starts right up. It has relatively low hours at only 1,700 original hours. It starts right up, you can hear that now. This machine has a 4-in-1 bucket and an Extendahoe. Very nice for any type of projects. The 4-in-1 makes it very easy to pick up materials rather. And you're going to show that now. But the machine operates correctly. The tires are in good condition. The turbo diesel sounds great, has plenty of power. Now this machine does not have air conditioning. As you can see, the window is open. That's about the only air conditioning you've got. But the machine does operate correctly. Robert's going to go ahead and go through all the functions of this thing. Overall, it's in nice condition with no major rust. Very low hours, only 1,700 hours. You can see the 4-in-1 bucket functioning as it should. The engine sounds great, as you can see, goes into gear correctly. Machine does everything it's supposed to do. Four-in-1 bucket makes it very easy to pick up any type of brush, or as you can see here, any big logs. And it does it with ease. This is a powerful machine. It's not a very light log that he just picked up. It does it with ease. Kind of combines a grapple with a bucket. He's going to go ahead and flip around and operate the hoe. Again, this is an Extendahoe, so that is very, very nice for any projects. And those that have this backhoe, they will not run one without it, and I won't either. It's really nice. Four-wheel drive working correctly. Like I said, everything on this machine is nice. It's tight. It's got low hours. And it's in good condition. So he's going to go ahead and flip now and operate the hoe. Now we do have one hydraulic line that is leaking that we are going to repair, but other than that, this machine has relatively no leaks and nothing that we can see, just some type of residual from use, but no dripping on the ground. The hoe has one small hydraulic leak. As you can see, there's maybe a little dripping, but we will actually fix that and take care of it. Really nice, tight machine. It's ready to rock and roll, ready to hit the job site. Overall, the machine's in good condition. As you can see, it operates correctly, low hours on it, and it is ready to go to work. Thank you guys for watching.